Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix this application requires iOS 16.0 or later on iPhone and iPad. If you're seeing the message this application requires iOS 16.0 or later on your iPhone or iPad, don't worry. In today's video I'll walk you through how to fix this issue. First, let's check which version of your iOS your phone or iPad is currently running. To do that, go to Settings. Scroll down and tap on General, then go to About. Here you'll see the software version of your device. Now, if you're running iOS 15 or earlier, that's the reason you're seeing this message. The app you want to use requires iOS 16 or newer. To fix this, go back and tap on Software Update. And if an update is available, you'll see the option to download and install. Simply just tap on it and your device will start updating. Make sure your device is plugged into a charger and connected to Wi-Fi during this process. Depending on your internet speed, the update might take some time. Once the update is complete, your device will automatically restart and you should have access to the latest features, including the ability to use the app you wanted. And that's it. That's how you simply fix the application requires iOS 16.0 or later error on your iPhone or iPad. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.